These are the fish. Okay. And there's our big sucker fish, or bottom feeder, whichever you'd like to call it. This guy over here, crazy guy. I'm gonna do a side view on him because he's crazy. He just disappears, you know? And he's like, don't record me. So, there's two bottom feeders. One little kind of big, medium-sized one, and the bigger one. And all these little followers, little schoolfish. I forget what they're called. And this guy, hiding over in the corner here. This guy. It's crazy.
They've got some up at Walmart. They've got those kind that you can move around the floor, and they got stationary cameras.
Just a little guy. Yeah. And this thing. He's little, but he'll get big. Amazing. Welcome to my fish tank.